Well, got her back together. I just tried one quick shot to pull it over and she started up just for a sec. So I'm going to catch some video here of getting her started for the first time. It's getting late, so I'm only going to do a quick run, see how it goes. So, stand by here. Primed it. See if this gets okay. My restart after a full engine rebuild. She started right up. I am excited for that. Still got some more work to do. I'm going to keep it at idle just for right now, let it warm up. Pressure's not coming up quite yet, so I don't want to go too far. Put 1.5 quarts in, so I'll check on that, see what's happening there. So I know it's got oil, and she's tight. A little smoke on the startup, but that was oil I put in the cylinders. Yeah, she's just starting to warm up there. Let's see, cylinder head temps. Now we're just starting to come up, so we can see there. Whoops, right there, there we go. And they're both pretty close. So that's a good sign. I don't have any exhaust gas temps at this point. There you have it. I'm pretty excited for that. I am pretty excited for that. So that's a good sign. I found with this engine, the general guidance is you pull it through 3 times to prime it. You see gas dripping a little bit out of the Zenith carburetor. My procedure is only 2 pulls, and with that she starts on the first pull. If I do 3, it tends to be a little flooded, so it doesn't want to start right away. Still have to attach the flaperons, but before I go anywhere, I want to give it a good hour of run time on the ground. Double check temps, oil, all that good stuff before I even attempt to get it up in the air. So yeah, pretty excited. So that's it, folks. Mission ready. Kind of cold weather, but I'm loving this one. All right, later.